truly amazing, the most beautiful forest in India by any standards.
So it's like almost 8-10 times I've been to this Corbett area, and first time in Dikala. Always wanted to be here. Thanks to Shashank and the group that we are here. It is an awesome place, amazing. Out of the few safaris that I've done, this has a totally different topographic, hills, river, then river bed, then grasslands.
So as you all know, Tikala is the jewel crown as far as all national parks in India are concerned. So it was imperative that we will obviously try to get accommodation inside Tikala, which is a prerequisite to visit Tikala. And once we were lucky, we grabbed the opportunity with both hands and both our legs.
The jungle is very beautiful. The jungle as such is extremely beautiful, very scenic. The animal, the topography, the vibe, every jungle has its own beauty. But I'd say living in Tikala amidst the jungle, in between, with Ram Ganga flowing at the back, half of the animals we kind of see here itself, early morning. And I think it's a beautiful experience, beyond words.
I found the Jim Corbett Park very beautiful. I like the tiger sighting.
We saw so many other animals also, let me tell you, but the focus always is on the tiger. A lot of species of birds which Shashank explained, their specifics, certain migratory birds, certain birds which have just come down during the winters and would probably again go up.
Today was again one of the most memorable things. Today was tiger chasing deer, the tiger hunt for a hunt, and it was amazing to witness it live and record it. Very good experience. On the river bank, one side river is flowing, one side hunt is going on. Oh, amazing.
So we've had truly memorable sightings, some of these which you would not even see in a Nat Geo kind of a program. When we saw a tiger swimming across the Nala, stalking a spotted deer and then chasing it in this huge landscape, that was one memorable sighting. The other one was in two parts. One that we saw walking across amongst the bushes on the other side of the bank and then crossing the river and then finally coming, sitting on the bank and again stalking a sambar deer this time and then giving chase to the sambar deer, all in the background of a riverbed full of white color and the sun shining. You can imagine the photos that would have come. These two were truly memorable.
The driver and the guide were chosen very well. They are knowledgeable about the place, and it's a big plus point in that we have the same people with us.
As always, we've had the luxury of two very experienced personnel, the driver Chavez and the tour guide Vijay, vastly experienced in every nook and corner of the jungle, very good knowledge of even the birds, something which I really lack, and they were so helpful. Their premonitions and their educated guesses as to where the tiger should lightly be moving, which tiger is doing movement towards which side, and how do we approach, when do we come back. These were of immense help to us.
Yeah, it's a basic accommodation. It's neat and clean. That is the most important point. It's neat and clean, and the meals is also basic. It's good, tasty, I would say. Mountains, grasslands, just you can view from the deck of your room. Very nice area.
So the Dhikala property within itself is so beautiful, so natural and so scenic. You don't get probably the luxury of a 5-star or a hotel of that repute, but the warmth that people gave. You get very good food, and so you'll really miss the experience in case you do not come inside Dhikala and spend some nights here.
So my experience with Shashank and Wilderness have been so far so good. This is my second trip with them. First was Kanha, second is this Dhikala, and plan to have few more trips with them, including Masai, hopefully.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.